This video is going viral with 1 million views, and it was created by using AI in just one click. You can create one like this too, and I'll show you how to make an AI video like this using free AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Hoox, an amazing AI video creation platform that lets you create professional videos in just a few clicks. Hoox Video is an all-in-one platform where you can generate videos using AI, complete with avatars, voiceovers, and fully customizable scripts. It takes care of everything from scripting to final video editing, so you don't have to spend hours manually creating content. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about AI videos, this tool is definitely worth checking out. The first step is, of course, signing up. Creating an account is super simple. Just go to the Hoox.video website, hit the Sign Up button, and follow the instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where everything starts. Next, let me give you a quick tour of the platform. The home dashboard is your central hub, where you can view all your projects and keep track of recent activity. It's designed to give you an instant overview and easy access to everything you need. The Assets section is your creative library, packed with images, videos, and stock media that you can use to enhance your projects. Whether you're looking for inspiration or ready to use content, it's all right at your fingertips. In the Avatars section, you can select, customize, or even create avatars to feature in your videos. These avatars allow you to add personality and style, helping your content truly stand out. The Voices section complements this by letting you choose voiceovers for your scripts, adjusting tone and style to perfectly match the mood of your video. Finally, the Video Creation section is where everything comes together. Here, your assets, avatars, and voiceovers transform into fully generated videos, bringing your ideas to life with ease and efficiency. Now that we've explored the dashboard, let's create our first video in Hoox.video. I'll show you everything step by step. To start, click the Create Video button. You can create a video from an idea, a blog post link, or by uploading a video or audio file directly, making it easy to turn any content into a video. And to personalize your project, go to the Upload section. Here, you can add images, video clips, or audio files from your device. Once uploaded, these files can be seamlessly incorporated into your project, giving you full control over the visuals and sounds to make your video truly unique. And by the way, if you don't know how to find viral AI videos, you can use this AI website called vidix.ai. It lets you analyze viral AI YouTube channels, track subscriber growth, and uncover high-performing niches, faceless video ideas, and viral content scripts. You can also discover profitable AI faceless YouTube channels, find the hottest AI YouTube videos and shorts, track the fastest-growing AI channels, and even find or clone viral AI videos. Next, customize your video by adjusting the duration to control its length, whether you're creating a short, attention-grabbing clip for social media or a longer, more detailed presentation. Then, select the video ratio vertical, horizontal, or square based on the platform you're targeting. This ensures your video looks polished and professional, whether it's for Instagram stories, TikTok Reels, YouTube content, or any other platform, and displays perfectly on all devices while maximizing viewer engagement. Once you've finalized all your settings and added your content, it's time to bring your video to life. Simply click Generate, and Hoox Video will start processing your project. The time it takes may vary depending on the length and complexity of your video, but usually just a few moments are needed. Now that we've generated the basic video setting, it's time to create the script and add voiceovers. This is where Hoox really shines. Hoox automatically generates a draft script for your video based on the idea, blog post, or files you uploaded. You can review it and make any edits you want, maybe tweak the wording or add your own style. Once you're happy with it, click Next. The next step is adding a voiceover to your video, where you select the language, choose a male or female voice or different styles, and optionally, enable emotion enhancement to make the narration sound natural, expressive, and engaging. Once you've made your selections, click Next to move on to the final steps of creating your video. Next, choose an avatar for your video by selecting the gender and type, such as UGC, fitness, or indoor, or generate a custom avatar using Veo 3. Then click Generate and wait a few moments while Hoox creates your video with the chosen avatar and voiceover. Once your video has been generated with the script, voiceover, and avatar, you can make it polished and professional by adding stock media from the Assets section. Incorporating background music from Hoox's library or your own uploads while adjusting the volume to complement the voiceover, and including automatically synced subtitles or text overlays for key points and calls to action. Next, click on Preview to watch your video from start to finish. This allows you to review every element: script, voiceover, avatar, music, and subtitles to ensure everything looks and sounds just right. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, you can make edits before exporting, giving you full control to perfect your video before finalizing it. Once you're happy with your video, click Export. Hoox will process your final version, compiling all the elements seamlessly. When the process is complete, you can download the video directly to your device, ready to share, publish, or use however you like. And that is how you can create your video using Hoox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our AI video tutorials. And if you want to try Hoox.video yourself, I've added the link in the video description. Let me know your experience in the comments below.